What up, what up, what up, Unbreakable Kicks Army? Sorry. Before I even say sorry about not going live, shout out to the Army. We hit 180,000 subscribers yesterday, Army. I appreciate you guys. Army, I appreciate you guys for that 180K. Let's go ahead and keep on pushing to these goals that we got to reach, man. And again, sorry that your boy didn't go live for these Air Jordan 12s. I wound up going to my finish line at like 8 this morning and wound up copying my personal pair, wound up grabbing some pairs for other people, and I do got extra sizes. So if you guys did take L's, I want to say they did sell out on Sneakers app. So if you guys did take an L on Sneakers app, or if you want a pair to be shipped out today, just hit your boy up in my DMs on IG. I do have extra pairs available. Now, sorry also for not giving you guys an early review on these joints, man, but these joints actually look dope just from the box. The box alone make these joints look dope. You got this white Jordan box. You got like the indigo blue background with the white Jumpman. On this side of the box it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. The same thing we have on the back tab of our Air Jordan 12s. Label on these joints read Air Jordan 12 Retro. Colorway is Stone Blue Legend Blue. Retail on these joints is $190. Again, I picked up my personal size 11. Joints do come with this indigo blue and white, not necessarily retro card, but like a card that comes in a box. It says Air Jordan 12, the beauty of imperfection fades to perfection. Indigo is among the oldest dyes to be used for textile dyeing and printing. The oldest known fabric dyed indigo dates back more than 6,000 years ago. No two pieces are alike. We embrace these differences with times and use. The depth and fade of indigo will reveal a look that's unique to you. So reading the card, it actually confirms the rumors that I heard about these Air Jordan 12s. These Air Jordan 12s, I heard they actually fade as you wear them. And these joints are nice, yo. These are nice. So if we guys remember, man, some of the pictures we seen, some of them look to be suede, some of them look to be leather. So I want to say the more you wear it, it's going to wear off this leather and reveal like a suede-like material. And these joints are very, very close to the OG Air Jordan 12 Obsidians. Bro, these joints are nice, man. And I love 12s. I love the colorways. I love how 12s look, but 12s hurt my feet. I got a decent amount of 12s, but I rarely wear them because they hurt my feet. But these joints are nice, man. In the comment section below, let me know if you got that W. Let me know if you was going after these joints. Again, like I said, I do got extras for those who did not cop. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and jump on the turntable, give you guys an up-close personal look at these joints. Then we can jump back in front of the camera to end the video off. Alright, y'all, got the box on the turntable. And again, you got this white background, white Jumpman, indigo blue, just splash right there, right on the background of the Jumpman firebox. I love how Jordan Brand is giving us these fireboxes. Granted, they're going to go right in the drop front cases. It's still dope to get the new fireboxes. Looking on this side, you see it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Checking out the label. Label reads Air Jordan 12 Retro, colorway Stone Blue Legend Blue. Retail is $190, and this is a size 11. Flipping the lid. You got your standard like wax paper right here. Smacking the joints on the turntable, and again, yo, these are nice. Now, me knowing that the OGs came with white laces, a spare pair of white laces would have been fire with these. Check out the outsole. Outsole, you got like legend blue. This is going to be the legend blue. I'm assuming that's going to be the stone blue, okay? Because when they come with the Jordan 4 Columbias, this was the legend blue that they called. So I'm going to go with that. Legend blue, stone blue right here, or the indigo blue. You got like your white carbon fiber. Moving up, you got your white midsole. You got your white textile right here. Some people say this is reptile skin. Some people say that's basketball. But you got this nice, smooth leather right here. This leather right here is very smooth. It ain't no tumble, none of that. Just a nice, smooth leather. Looking at the heel tabs. Heel tabs are fire too. You got like your legend blue. You got your stone blue back here on the heel tab. Legend blue 23s down here as well. Legend blue upper. And again, this is like a leather material right now, but as you wear them, it's going to fade to, I want to say maybe that suede material. Because again, in a couple photos we've seen, some look suede, some look leather. Okay, so they start off leather, then they transform into suede. That's what I'm assuming. All right, looking at the tongue, you got your stone blue laces. And then even like the material, it feels weird. It feels like it rubs off. Your Jumpman, you got the indigo blue Jumpman. You got your 2-3 going down the middle. And just an overall fire Air Jordan 12. These are nice. Probably one of the nicest 12s that have come out in quite some time. So, of course, y'all know how your boy do. I definitely had to go and grab the OGs. And as you can see, I have worn my OGs. They not in the best of shape. But OGs, of course, that obsidian blue is a lot darker. Looking at the pull tabs are darker as well. So, I mean, it's close. The color is just a different shade of blue. But we see where they got the inspiration from with the obsidian. Look at the eyelets. You got your chrome eyelets on the obsidians. You got your chrome eyelets on the indigo joints as well. Sock liner is kind of similar. A tad bit similar right here, but y'all let me know in the comment section. Spam the comment section with OG or 2020. 2020 being the indigo joints, OGs of course being the obsidian. So spam the comments with which one that you guys would prefer to have. Like always, I gotta go OG over anything, so I'm still gonna go with the OG obsidians. All right. So again, we got both stone blues on here, man. And like I say, nice Air Jordan 12. Nice Air Jordan 12. If you pick these up, I highly doubt that you will be upset with actually grabbing these, man. The chrome hits make them pop out. Again, you got your indigo blue going down the tongue with that legend blue on the I don't know what blues we talking about, but just know this is a dope blue Air Jordan 12, and I can dig it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these joints one more quick 360, then we can jump back in front of the camera to end the video off. All right, y'all, now that you guys have seen the Air Jordan 12 indigo blues, how do you feel about them? Again, these joints are nice, definitely waterproof, definitely has that OG vibe to them. Still, if I had to pick between these or the obsidians, I still gotta go OG. Y'all know how I am. OG over anything. OG over anything. But these joints are very, very close to the originals, and you can't get mad at it. So again, let me know if you guys did pick these up. Let me know if you guys did cop these joints. Again, nice Air Jordan 12s. Most Air Jordan 12s always do well. Always do well as far as just selling out. So I'm not surprised that these joints are selling out or are quick to have already sold out. Again, yes, waterproof. Glad that I picked these up, Army. And other than that, you got your boy Unbreakable. You got the Air Jordan 12, Indigo Blue, Stone Blue, Legend Blue, whatever you want to call them. You got the Unbreakable Vote. Unbreakable Army, stand strong like always. Hug your loved ones. And we out.